Thank you for choosing HSA for your audiovisual storage needs. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate how to do a retrofit installation of our lower rack. First, please unpack and set out all the screws, bolts, and washers and gather the needed tools. Next, using a star tip bit, insert screws into holes from the inside of the rack as shown and make flush with the wood. Repeat this process in the bottom and top holes as shown. Next, loosen the lead tambour by holding the bolt on the back side in place as you remove all 4 screws. Set the screws and bolts aside. This is the view from the rear side of the lead tambour during removal. Remove lead tambour as shown. Be careful not to use too much pressure on the wood and remove at an angle. Next, remove the stop blocks from the back as shown and gently slide the tambour back until they touch the surface. Insert screws into the 3 slots on each side of the top of the rack as shown. When in place, gently slide the tambours forward so the brackets for the lead tambour are slightly hanging in front. Reinstall the stop blocks at the back of the rack. Reinsert the lead tambour as shown. Again, be careful not to use too much pressure. Line up the lead tambour with the mounting brackets and reattach the screws and bolts to keep the lead tambour securely in place. When this is done, make sure to tighten all rear bolts. Finally, line up the table brace with the cams and tighten as shown. Thank you for choosing HSA.